There exists a fascinating chemical process called self-assembly, where molecules organize themselves into complex structures without external guidance. This is how nature builds cell membranes, viral capsids, and even DNA double helix structures through weak interactions like hydrogen bonding, van der Waals forces, and hydrophobic effects. Molecules automatically arrange into highly ordered forms. Scientists are now using self-assembly to create nanomaterials, drug delivery systems, and smart materials that mimic nature's precision at the molecular level.